Hey, Jill Bender here. I'll show you guys how to connect your Manychat to your Instagram. So the first page you're going to come to when you get to Manychat, and you can use the Get Started for free right in the center here. You will eventually upgrade to the paid account. It's going to give you way more features and options that you're going to want to use, but you can get started for free, test a few things out, decide if you want to move forward with it, but you're going to love it. Manychat is an automation for your messages and your comments. So we're going to talk about Instagram. That's what I use this for primarily. It will respond to your comments. It'll respond to people commenting on your stories or your reels, whichever one you set up. It can respond to your DMs and send links and send people information. It can even have conversations with your people to act as you. We're going to set that up now. And it can be a little tricky to get it connected when you don't understand exactly how to do it. And as much as I love Manychat, the one thing I think they fall short on is explaining how to actually set up the channel because it's not straightforward. So when you click Get Started for free, you can go in here and we want to connect Instagram, but don't freak out because when we say that, it's going to bring us to continue with Facebook. That's fine. Continue with Facebook. Go ahead and click that. It's going to say go to Facebook. Continue. Connect. Get started. We want to get started. And now you're going to put your Instagram username information in here. Okay, so now when you try and log into that, it's going to say, do you want to connect it to it's showing Jill Bender, that's my Facebook page, or create a new Facebook page using your info from Instagram. Next. All right, so allow access to messages. It's creating a Facebook page called 7Fig Connected Page. All right, so now it automatically selected that one. I don't want any of those. I want 7Fig Capital. That's the one I'm trying to connect. And again, I don't want that one. I want this one. Next. And then don't touch these. They're all yes. I don't mess with them. I've tried messing with them before. It does not end well for me. So I'm going to click done. Now it's linking. You've now linked Manychat to Facebook. Go to Facebook. Continue. Get started. Again, we're going to do it again. Okay. And then just make sure, which one do you want to use with Manychat? We're going to use this one. And then again, I'm going to use this one. You're just going through and doing the same things. Whatever reason, don't know. Now you're linked. All right, now it's working. We found it. Which one do you want to connect? Yes, we want to connect that one. Congratulations, yay! All right, so now we're going to start with the free plan. What are your primary uses? Just whatever. I usually do personal use on everything. How do you intend to use it? Unsure, that's fine. What Manychat? I'm currently testing. Okay, even though it says up here, activate 14-day trial, that's for the pro version. So if you don't need the pro version, don't pay for it. Those are the steps to get Manychat connected to Instagram. You do have to create, remember, you do have to create that new Facebook page. It sounds confusing, but I promise that's how you do it. You just create the new Facebook page, connect it, and then make sure all those toggles are on and go through the steps. Sometimes it takes a few times. If you didn't get in the first time, watch my video again, watch it and really go step by step as you're going through it. I hope this helped. Please hit that subscribe button. or at least that like button if you found value in this video. I will see you in the next one.